Commissioner Northern Mr. Raya Rainima, President of the Festival of the Friendly North, Mr. Rajneet Maharaj, and the committee members, the Chair of Special Administrators for Lambasa and Savu Town Council, Mr. Amir Kohli, Special Administrator, Management and Staff of Lambasa Town Council, the Friendly North 2022 major sponsor, Vodafone Fiji Limited representative, Mr. Rajneesh Prasad. I also like to acknowledge the General Manager for Fiji Sugar Corporation, contestants, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Bula Vinaka, Namaste, and a very good evening to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, no matter where in the country you live in, one of the most looked forward events when growing up in Fiji has been festivals. As a child, you look forward to the candy floss and rides. As a young adult, getting together with your peers at this festival was a must during school breaks, and I'm sure we all have done that. And as a community, we took pride in putting together such signature events that celebrate towns and cities. It is pleasing to note that after a lapse of 2 years, our festivals are once again being hosted by various towns and cities. I commend the Vodafone Organizing Committee for this week-long festival for the people of Lambasa, and indeed for those living outside Lambasa. And tonight, looking at the crowd, I must say that the Baba Singer spirit is still alive. Ladies and gentlemen, festivals bring people together, and we should aspire to nurture the spirit of togetherness and celebration. And we must also acknowledge that after 2 years, we are able to sit next to one another without social distancing, without sanitizing our hands, without wearing a mask. And very much it's normal that we are living, or rather sitting next to one another just as we did prior to March 2020. And let's not forget that we have just come out of COVID-19, and it was the decisive actions of our Prime Minister in tackling COVID-19 pandemic has created this normalcy which we all wanted or looked forward to. So, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be here today for the crowning of the contestants at the Vodafone Festival of the Friendly North 2022. Vodafone Friendly North Festival connects and brings people from various walks of life. And people come together to enjoy, to also earn a living, and to help raise funds for a good cause. And I assure you that this event is for your own hometown, and the funds raised will be used for the welfare of your community and township. This year, the festival committee has agreed to utilize the funds raised for the upgrading of dialysis center, and will continue with the beautification initiatives being planned by the Lambasa Town Council. This is very well aligned with the Fijian government's vision to create a vibrant, sustainable, and resilient towns and cities. To make Lambasa more vibrant and attractive town to live, visit, or invest, there is an urgent need to upgrade the public areas. Now, with inflation and stagnant revenue, we cannot rely on councils to do this alone. It requires a joint and collaborative effort. we can all lend hands to create a clean, beautiful, and resilient Lambasa. We can start with simple and very small steps, such as planting more trees, disposing rubbish responsibly, lending hands to clean the hotspot areas, and above all, in my view, please prevent people from pulling plants from the planters that are placed on the streets of Lambasa. This has been a problem for the Lambasa Town Council. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to highlight the need for reform in all township festivals. I have strongly recommended that good governance and accountability must be established and maintained at all times. In doing so, one of the strategies put in place is the establishment of the festival regulation that will serve as a key requirement of the governance arrangements for the conduct of the town and city festivals. And I would like to congratulate Friendly North Committee. This is the only committee which I know where the president rotates after serving 1 year. And it brings in two benefits. One is new, fresh ideas can come on board, also developing the leadership skills as you rotate your presidents, and above all, giving an opportunity for innovation and creativity, plus good governance and accountability. When you have one person running festivals and committees for far too long, in some municipality we have seen that the festival committee members are the same, and they're there for good 5 to 10 years. And we see that governance and accountability becomes a major issue. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to take this opportunity to thank the Friendly North Festival Organizing Committee 2022 for the collaboration, hard work, and for sacrificing their personal time and resources for organizing this year's festival. You have again demonstrated your Baba Singa civic pride through your joint effort and actions. You know, a festival of this magnitude, a lot happens behind the scene. A lot happens months before the festival is launched. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Festival Organizing Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vodafone Friendly North Festival also provides a platform for the young, beautiful Queen contestants to build their confidence, showcase their talents, and advocate on national issues or issues which are close to their hearts, with the hope to make a positive difference in the community. To all the beautiful Queen contestants, you're all winners from the first day you decided to be part of this year's festival. Being a contestant is an honor that you should embrace and value as a young woman, and you will carry this with you forever. I'm sure you're all excited and nervous this evening. Be rest assured you will never go wrong if you're authentic, humble, thoughtful, and speak and act from your heart. And I'm sure you have enjoyed the process, networking, and learnings. And I wish you all the best this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Vodafone Friendly North Festival also gives us an opportunity for local vendors and SMEs to come and sell their produce and products and food and earn some income. Also, it's an opportunity for the public to indulge in festive treats and rides. And I'm sure that all the stalls must have been taken by the vendors Unfortunately, the rain did spoil the event earlier in the week, but today has been a great day, and I hope you have recovered the financial losses you may have incurred. Ladies and gentlemen, my special gratitude goes to the Vodafone Fiji Limited for their immense support and sponsorship. Vodafone Fiji Limited has been sponsoring all our major festivals in Fiji, from Raki Raki, Friendly North, and Tambara Carnival this year. I take the opportunity to thank the Queen and night sponsors and all those who have lent their hands to make this event a success. Last but not least, thank you all for your presence and immense support for the good cause. The committee can organize a festival, but if people don't turn up, it cannot be a success. It's you as an individual coming to this particular festival you have made Vodafone Friendly North Festival a great success. I do note that yesterday was the crowning of kings, and I want to congratulate them, the winners who are here. And tonight is the crowning night, and I would like to wish the contestants all the very best. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening. The night is still young. And thank you very much once again. Vinaka.